Computer vision and image recognition open the doors to the visual world, empowering computers to understand and interpret visual information just like humans do. By leveraging deep learning algorithms, computers can classify objects, detect boundaries, and even identify multiple objects within an image. Facial recognition and emotion analysis systems have revolutionized identity verification and personalized experiences, enabling secure access control and tailored interactions. With the ability to recognize faces and interpret emotions, computers can enhance user experiences and provide a more engaging and customized environment. Scene understanding and image segmentation techniques allow computers to gain valuable insights and a deeper contextual understanding of visual content. By analyzing images at a pixel level, computers can identify objects, extract meaningful information, and even separate foreground and background elements. Image restoration and enhancement techniques play a crucial role in elevating the quality of visual content. Through advanced algorithms, computers can restore damaged or degraded images, improve image clarity, and enhance visual details, creating visually appealing and high-quality outputs. In our upcoming videos, we will explore the world of computer vision further, delving into advanced techniques and applications. We will discuss topics such as object detection, image recognition, image segmentation, and more. Join us as we unravel the potential of computer vision and discover how it is reshaping various industries. Don't miss out on these valuable AI insights. Stay tuned for more exciting content on computer vision and image recognition. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more with you in the future.